Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Bringing a suitcase is frustrating. Packing it is daunting, and babysitting it on the planes, trains, and buses is draining. Instead of showing up to your destination relaxed and ready to start exploring a new city, you are exhausted, just waiting for the moment to ditch this luggage ASAP. But traveling shouldn't be like that. You should enjoy the whole journey and not just the destination. So this is today's tip. Travel with just a backpack. When you travel with just a backpack, you don't have any of these problems. With your hands free from pulling suitcases, public transit is a breeze, enjoyable even, becoming just another adventure instead of stress zones where you're required to babysit your suitcases. And without the need to drop off your heavy baggage, you are free to start exploring as soon as you get there. No longer do you have to check into your Airbnb or hotel before you can actually start doing stuff. It will literally make every aspect of your trip easier and more enjoyable. And now that you know the why, it's time to learn the how. After watching this, go to Lessification.com, where I teach you step by step how to pack so you can travel easily with one backpack or less, allowing you to enjoy the whole journey and not just the destination. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday that'll help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.